The modular stripper and crimper is a must-have versatile tool for voice and data installation. Now this tool easily cuts and strips twisted pair cables and flat telephone cables. It also crimps RJ connectors. Now the tool also contains 3 crimping nests. There's a 4-pin for RJ22 connectors, a 6-pin for RJ11 and RJ12 connectors, and an 8-pin for RJ45 connectors. Now the tool also has a full cycle ratcheting action, which means that it ensures a complete crimp every time. Now this is a professional quality tool that's designed for years of service. Let me show you how some of those features actually work. If I wanted to strip the cable, I simply place the cable into the stripping notch, squeeze the handle just a little bit, rotate the tool, remove the tool, and all I need to do is just strip off the outside jacket. To crimp the connector, all I need to do is place the connector inside the appropriate nest and squeeze the handle. Again, you'll actually feel and hear that ratcheting action. Let go, and I have a secure crimp.